2003 Mazda B3000 or a 2003 Ford Ranger with the 3-liter V6 because it's the exact same truck. And we're replacing the starter. Let's get to it. First step is to go ahead and remove the negative battery terminal. It is a 13 millimeter. Well, this one's been replaced. This is an aftermarket terminal, so it might be different, but this terminal is a 13 millimeter. All right. It's held on by a 13 millimeter. I'm using my gear wrench because this funnel for, I'm guessing, oil draining off of the oil filter right above it is here. I don't think that comes stock from the factory because I've never seen that before. So maybe somebody put it in their aftermarket, but either way. There's our main lead. It's held in by a 10 millimeter. The signal wire is held in by a 10 millimeter. And there's a 10 millimeter nut that holds in that signal wire that comes from the ignition switch. And now we can go ahead and pull this harness and tuck it out of the way. And with that out of the way, we now have free range to undo these 3 bolts. They are 13 millimeters. Give myself my electric ratchet right here and put a 12-inch extension on it so I can get it from behind the exhaust system. Make sure when you're removing the final bolt that you're supporting the starter so this thing doesn't fall and bust open one of your toes. Thank you. Alright, and there's our starter removal. We got our new starter going in. I'm going to start with the bottom and top bolts because those were the easy ones to put in with the electric ratchet. middle one. That'll have to go in by hand. And then just go over the other ones by hand. Make sure they're down good and tight. Don't go crazy on it. Just make sure that they're not gonna come undone by themselves or anything like that. Go ahead and put this 10mm down on our signal wire. And with the signal wire down tight with our 10mm, go ahead and remove the nut and washer from our new starter. Go ahead and put that down hand tight. Come back with our 13mm. And put it down tight. And with that, we can go ahead and plug our battery back up. Tighten down our ground wire, our terminal. This is 13mm again. Make sure that's good and tight. So these garbage. Gloves in the trash. And there you have it. One happy Mazda. And that's all there is to it for this starter installation on this 2003 Mazda B3000 or 2003 Ford Ranger, because they are literally the exact same vehicle minus some changes to the front and rear looks. This video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.